think as the name implies, it means to be happy as a single person.
I believe it means more than that. A single person is first a human being.
And single does not necessarily mean not in a relationship.
You know, it's easy to find people who seek happiness in other human beings, activities, vices, habits, stuff like that.
And most times it never lasts. It's fleeting.
And it usually comes at a very, very costly price.
But then the idea that it is almost impossible to find happiness with someone or something else without first having found it for yourself is astonishing.
The question then is it possible to be happy and single, or single and happy?
What does it even mean, that word, happiness? And how do we attain it?
Mentally, emotionally, socially, and spiritually.
At our jobs, in our families, and our relationships.
The pursuit of happiness should really not be that hard.
It starts with being happily single.
Are you happily single?
Are you happily single?
Are you happily single?
Are you happily single?
Join us on this 6-week journey to self-discovery, happiness, and living your best life. The Happily Single sessions will feature webinars, small group conversations, personality tests, games, worship, hangouts, and lots more. This is one ride you don't want to miss. Register via bit.ly/thebridge happily single, and don't forget to invite a friend.